Okay, now I'm on page 197 in the Go Math textbook. Follow along. It says write a ratio and a percent. So we're going to write two numbers, a ratio and a percent, to represent the shaded part. So this is a 10 by 10 grid. So I know there's 100 little squares here. So if there's a total of 100, that's my denominator. How many of these are shaded? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete columns. So each one of these is 10. So that's 50. And then 3 here, so 53. And just like in the last video, if my denominator is 100, then my numerator is my percent. All right. So again, I have a 10 by 10, so that's a total of 100. All of them are shaded, so all 100 are shaded. And if my denominator is 100, my numerator is my percent. I just have to put the percent sign behind it. Okay, number 3. Again, I have a 10 by 10, so I have a total of 100 squares. How many are shaded? Well, I have a column here, that's 1. A full column here, that's 2. A full column here, that's 3. And a full column here, that's 4 full columns. Each column has 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40. And then for my percent, if my denominator is 100, then my numerator is my percent. All right, 4, model the percent and write it as a ratio. So 30%, that means 30 out of these 100 need to be shaded. So each column is 10, so there's 10, 20, and 30. And that would be a total of 100, and I shaded 30 of them. Okay, 5%. So there's 100 total, and I need to shade 5 out of that 100, 5 per 100. And this time I'm going to shade 1, 2, 3, 4, and a random 5. So again, it doesn't matter where you shade. You see that on number 5 and also on number 3. As long as you shade the correct number of squares, it doesn't matter. You could make a little pattern if you want. I mean, it's really, it really doesn't matter as long as you have the correct number shaded. So here, 5%, I need to shade 5 out of the 100, and I did that. It doesn't matter that they're not right next to each other. It's usually just easier to make them right next to each other. Okay, 75%. So this is a grid of a total of 100, and of those 100, I need to shade 75 of them. So that means 7 columns would be 70. 1. So there's 1 column, that'd be 10 total squares. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So there's 70, and then I need 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, that lost me my whole thing just trying to take those tops off. I hate it when it does that. Did it again. Oh well. I'm going to leave it this time. So there's my 7 columns plus 5 more, so I have a total of 75 shaded. All right. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.